Hey folks, Joe from Optimizely here. Today we'll be covering the content orchestration process and content lifecycle end to end for a new piece of content, all the way from idea to live on the web, all handled by Optimizely One, the world's first operating system for marketers. We'll start by doing intake. Here we can field requests, capture ideas, and collectively manage work. Great ideas can come from anywhere in our organization, and when we need a new article for our site, all we need to do is make a request and add some info to get started. Next, we'll need to plan and align our entire team around a shared strategy and vision. We can check out our calendar view to see what's going on. Here we can track anything in flight for our digital properties, from new content, media assets, all the way to articles, emails, and web content. Even experiments, personalization campaigns, and optimizations, all on one global calendar with intuitive filtering capabilities, so I can zoom in to the exact information I need with only a click. We can use campaigns to align teams around work and review operational and performance analytics so we know what's working and what isn't. We also keep a full history so you know all the details behind the deliverables. We can also save campaigns and tasks as templates to streamline future work. Now that we've got our work organized, we'll need to ideate and collaborate on this new piece of content in a task. Together, we'll decide where it will go next as well in the publishing step. We can create new pieces of content collaboratively within tasks, and our productivity is always augmented with embedded AI, so we can ask Opal if we ever have writer's block. Once a given workflow is complete, a piece of content can publish to the downstream channels of your choice for distribution, and assets can be stored in the DAM for future use and reuse. Since we have completed this piece of content, it is now stored within our library, as well as other assets that we've created within our organization. As we create content, it's easy to store, label, manage, and locate these items for reuse, thanks to the robust metadata available. We're also tracking what channels a piece of content is being pushed to, creating AI tags for new pieces of content like images, and adding labels for additional layers of discoverability. These can be used to create saved views so it's easy to find the assets we need when we come back in. Now that we've created a new piece of content within our CMS for our Mosey Bank site, we may want to globalize this new piece of content and localize it for different regions. It's easy to change languages and create translations within Optimizely CMS, and once this content is complete, it can serve as a single central source of truth across all channels and regions. Create once, edit centrally, and use anywhere. That's our mentality. Now that this piece of content is ready, we may want to announce it on our home page. Let's check out our CMS site where we've used Visual Builder to create a home page. I've already created a saved blueprint to announce this new article highlighting a new sustainable ETF service. I can easily add this blueprint to the page, and we'll move it up to the top so it's easy to see and highly visible. Once I publish it, this piece of content will go live for our global market with lightning fast speeds. If that all wasn't exciting enough, after this piece of content has been created, we can help you to analyze and iterate on your content operations and content performance, all within this single platform. A single analytic insight here could drive the next phase of our content production. So there it was end to end, content production from idea to reality, all accommodated by Optimizely One, the first operating system for marketers. Thanks for following along, and let me know if you have any questions.